Sri Krishna Jayanti. It marks the celebration of the birth of Sri Bhagavan Krishna. Lord Sri Krishna was born on the Rohini Nakshatra on Ashtami day. The festival Sri Krishna Jayanti is also known as Gokulashtami or Janmashtami. The actual day of celebration can be on two different days, as the star Rohini and Ashtami may not be on the same day. This occurs between August and September on the Christian calendar. According to mythology, Krishna was the eighth child of Princess Devaki and her husband Vasudeva, who belonged to the Yadava clan of Mathura. Devaki's brother Kansa, who was the king of Mathura at that time, killed all children that were given birth by Devaki in order to prevent him from a prediction that said that Kansa would be killed by Devaki's eighth son. When Krishna was born, Vasudeva took baby Krishna to his friend's house in Gokul, a district in Mathura. Thereafter, Krishna was brought up by Nanda and his wife Yashoda at Gokul. According to traditional sources, the Janmashtami is observed on the day when the Ashtami Tithi occurs at midnight. If the Ashtami Tithi and the Rohini Nakshatra occurs on the same day, then the observance is considered to be doubly sacred. Otherwise, the observance is held on the same day on which the Ashtami prevails at midnight. The Vrita mainly consists of fasting, spending the whole night in the worship of Krishna, reciting hymns of praising Lord Krishna's pastimes, reciting prayers from the Bhagavad Gita, offering Arghya to Krishna, and the Parna or the ceremonial breaking of the fast. The next day is celebrated as Krishna Jayanti. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Lord Krishna is considered the most colorful character in Indian mythology. His mischievous nature, his love for his friends, and stories of his childhood are narrated in every household. Kids love him and grown-ups adore him. In whatever form he is worshipped, be it infant eating butter, the young boy playing the flute, with Radha, the love of his life, or in his larger-than-life avatar giving a discourse to Arjuna on the battlefield at Kurukshetra. Now, I'll tell you a story about the Krishna. The story goes like this. Once, when Krishna was still a toddler, he was tagging along with elder brother Balrama and his friends as they collected fruits from the courtyard. Unable to reach the trees like his elder brother, he picked off dirt from the ground and crammed his mouth full of it. When the other children saw what he was doing, they ran to Mother Yashoda and told her that Krishna was eating mud. Yashoda ran out to Kanha and asked him if he was indeed eating mud. Scared to open his mouth, he nodded his head, saying no. Yashoda then told him to open his mouth, but Kanhaiya was afraid he would get a scolding, so he kept his mouth shut tight. Yashoda looked at him sternly and ordered him to show the inside of his mouth. He looked at Yashoda and opened his mouth. When Yashoda peered into it, she saw the entire universe inside. The earth, the mountains and seas and galaxies, the stars, every moving objects, every stationary objects, all the planets and moons. She was dumbstruck. When Kanhaiya closed his mouth, she looked at him with a new respect, for she now understood that his child was not an ordinary child, but the Lord himself. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Hope you liked this story. Subscribe to this channel for more interesting stories like this and much more.